Hello everyone and welcome to a quick YouTube tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to find a song from a YouTube video. This is actually quite simple and I will show you two possibilities that YouTube itself offers as well as one external one. For this we first open YouTube, and if YouTube recognizes the music in videos itself, they are marked at the end of the description. So this is the first possibility to find the name of a song. This can also be possible with shorts. Then you will find the name of the song next to this little music note. But what to do if YouTube does not automatically recognizes the music and the creator has not marked it either? For this case I have picked a short where I had exactly this problem. Or as seen here, we have a song name but it's wrong. The solution for this is an extension in your browser. This is available for Chrome as well as for Firefox and others. Most of you probably know Shazam. We install the extension quickly, and first thing we want to do is pin it to our browser. This makes using this extension way easier. Now we go back to our short, and while playing the short I click on the Shazam extension. And it will now search the song for me. And as you can see, it finds the song very quickly and I could now search it here in YouTube as well. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.